Okay. Alrighty. Okay, so it's 1-4. Good play. Just speed it up to where go. We're gonna go. I'm a little tired, so I might be a little quiet, but it's alright. I hope at least. Okay, so first off, this spot is like really shit. Typically, you want to be playing like either out here, and like either playing like it depends on how passive or aggressive you like to play. This spot is like really shit though because you have to play like straight into your lines, and there's no like weird off angles you can play or anything. Like people are gonna expect you to be here, so they're gonna be aiming. Yeah, like typically you want to play out here, in here, or on the outside of this. Like those are like the good spots of the map, but all like it's all situational. Like, but you don't typically ever want to be playing on these sight lines that like really bad, unless like, of course you can take advantage. But like as a starting position, this is like pretty poor. But that's just my opinion. Also, the 1-4 is like a medium kind of thing. Alright, unlucky, but this is like waiting right here is really bad. Like, see, you get shit out here already, and then like people could pop out here or over here at any moment. Like the K3 does an ST, of course. Like, they have tanks there on light and everything. Like this is just a really bad spot right here. See, and like shit like this little pole thing fucking obstruct views of a Type 4. So you're already getting dicked on. Lucky again. It's 1-4. RNG. Feels bad. It's like right here. I already know what's gonna happen. This Type 4 is going to hold this corner. All these guys are going to push up, and these two aren't going to do shit. If you were out here or something like that, and you saw this Type 4 pushing on the AMX, you could have just ran, or you could do that, like anything. But like right now, you're just going to get, they're just going to all collapse on you, and you're going to die. I already know what's going to happen. But yeah, so right here is a really bad position. You're already locked in. Like at this point, I would probably start running. What you're doing. This is good. Sorta. I get tracked. Favor repair kit. Stunned. Taken out. Yeah, but this is just like, yet again, like this is just like a really bad spot. It's so linear that you can't abuse any of the terrain, and the 1-4 isn't really a like a straight up brawling tank. It's more of like you play ridges, round, like corners, shit like that, not like flat surfaces like this. This is not the best engagement. I'm guessing to leave the game after this. Yeah, like I said, this is, you didn't have any information. You just played straight up. You probably should have watched your team. You only had 2 people coming through town, and now, of course, this entire side of the map is open. I don't know if you win this, actually. I mean, these guys can collapse on this. These guys might go here, but this IKV is probably scaring them, so they're probably not going to do anything. But now you're already died. And Windstorm's pretty good late game for Artie. Yeah. So, yet again, you're gonna play off angles on that map. You don't want to really like play just straight up in a 1-4. I mean you're top tier, but 1-4 just doesn't excel at that.